Hello guys, we're going to connect a C Sharp Windows application program to G Suite Admin SDK using Directory API. So when you search Directory API, you will find the G Suite Admin SDK Directory API a page like this, that it has different programming languages and each of them separate syntax and procedure to connect to. So today we're going to talk about .NET 1. So the first step is enable the Directory API. When you click on that, just make sure that before that you log in with your organization account. As you see upstairs, up on the top, I log in with my organization account and I create a name for my project, and after that we have to choose which platform we're gonna use, because it's configuring the auth client. I'm going to use C Sharp, so it's a desktop app, and when I create my API directory, it will give me a client ID and a client secret. So what you do is you download the client configuration. So I already have one. I put the same thing here. Yes. So when you download this JSON file, the name should be the credential itself, and after that you simply go to the place that you download and copy this file. So we done here. Now we need to go to the Visual Studio. I have an open project here. What I'll do is I'll go to my root folder of my project, which is Windows Form App 2, and then into the bin, and then debug, and then copy my credential file here. That's it. And next step is to add the Nugget package to the project. So what we do is we're going to the project and manage Nugget package, and then we need to add Google APIs admin directory. Make sure that it's certified by Google, and then try to install that. So after we finish this installation, we need to add our using part. So I'm going to the using that we're gonna use. I'm just copy from my older project. There are 5 using that you need to add to your project. As you see, using google.api.auth.auth2, google.api.admin.directory version 1, Google apis.admin.directory.directory.version 1.data, and google.apis.services, and google.api.util.store. So what we want to do is, actually what we have to do is, when people run this form, we want to, when they click on this button, first it needs to do the authentication, and then add an account in the G Suite with the current field. So what I'm going to do, I click on my button, and then I start to, first I used to write my user credential, so I get a variant named credential, and then I create a variable for the read access to my credential. So as you see, it's a credential, so I have to add one of the resources using, add this one, which is fix that one, and I need to. So this scopes has a little bit of problem, but we will take care of that after. Yeah, that one is related to the using, and this one is just a second. Yes, we need to add directory here as well. Static scope directory.scope, admin directory user, admin service scope, and so scope application name, and so the project name is quick start tree. Everything looks good to me. The next step is creating a service variable. This service variable actually is going to do everything. This service variable is updating our user, it's deleting our user, and everything is going to be done by this service variable. So I define a service variable here. Now we have our service variable. We can test. So if I start to work, if I try this button, it's supposed to get authentication from Google, and as you see, it's getting the authentication from Google. I try my account and received verification. You might close your window. So if